What's up, everybody? This is Jeff with the Mary documentary. Today we're going to smoke a bowl and do a quick sound test. We got some new sound equipment, so I want to hear the difference between what we've been picking up and what we will be picking up here in a second. So this is the first bowl rip, and this is what it sounds like. Okay. So that's what a bowl sounds like on this microphone. Now we're going to upgrade to a better microphone. And now you are hearing this on the Rode NTG4 Plus microphone. It's a great microphone. It's honestly one of the best shotgun microphones that you can get if you're just trying to run and gun and do some quick video production work, but yet not lose any good quality sound. And so what you're going to hear is maybe it's a little bit more crisp, maybe it's a little bit more clear, there's less echo, and maybe you'll hear the subtle sounds of the bowl. Let's find out. And that's the difference between average sound and great sound. And by the way, this is before we even do any sort of sound editing on the professional equipment. So we're really excited to start going. This is a new milestone for our production as we start now ramping into more interview style content with people in the cannabis space for the Mary documentary. So this microphone will come in very, very handy. If you aren't already familiar, we're making a documentary film. It's a community directed film, so you get to actually direct it. It's marydocumentary.com. It's free to use. You can upload videos, photos. You can tell us your cannabis story. We'd love to hear it. In fact, your story may just make the documentary. So follow us. We're building this project over the next 2 years, and we'd love to have you come along. Peace.